Good morning, friends. Welcome back to the House of Tone. My name is Wes Lee. I'm a professional band instrument repair technician. I started a YouTube channel to show what my life is like in the trades. I appreciate you stopping by this morning. So today I want to talk about small workshops. The space that I'm in, it's about a two-car garage. That's 20 foot by 20 foot for the overall. Now this is within a larger space. If I were in a smaller space, if I were thinking more about my body, my hands, my back, all that, there's things that I would do different. And I wanted to share some of those with you today while we're taking dents out on this marching baritone. Let's jump into it. So this is going to be our workshop space. If this were our entire workshop, we're going to go from to the other side. That comes out to 8 foot from the back wall here to where my toolbox is. That's also 8 foot. Cut off an 8 by 8 square. All of my tools are here. My other tools are over here. This is what I would change. I would have done this from the beginning. This is something that I just thought about. I haven't seen anybody else do this. I would have bought the Dent Machine a long time ago. It was one of my earliest purchases, but I still kept thinking about doing things by hand. For everything that I need to do on this baritone, once I do a setup like this, I'm solid. Let me take you through what I've got going. The first thing you have to have is you have to have good lighting. I have tons of lights. That's super important. You have to be able to see. You have to be able to see really well. As you start aging, people get cataracts and all this kind of stuff. You have to be able to see. It has to be bright. It has to be brighter than you think it is. It has to be brighter than you would think that you need it to be. So light up your space. Put things to where you can see the light lines on the instrument. So here's what I've got. This is from a regular Z61 bass unit. I have it offset, mounted with the Z61 vise, I guess is what they call that. This mounts to it. I've got my roller. I have the rod with interchangeable. This is a standard attachment. I can do dent work like I want to do. I don't have to use the roller. I can do it with just the rods. If I want to engage the roller, I already have a radius roller ready to go. I can just swing this down, move this back. I can run balls with this through the threaded attachments, and we're fixing to do all of this right now. So my baritone has a little bit of a fold. I can come in and take these dents just right here. I can start working all of the things that I want to do with this, rolling these out. I've got a booger mark from somebody else right there that I'm going to clean up. But I can come in and do all of my roller work. Now I've got some stuff beyond the rollers. I've got some of these dents. I'm going to move here. When I decide that I want to swing and get this boogered area, this is really pretty rough, and I want to put a roller on this area, I can swing my roller down. So put my roller, now I can come in and take care of cleaning this spot. These threaded attachments are also very important. Just like I would in a standard vise. With this size ball, I can come all the way to the back and get all these pesky dents that were back here. Takes about 10 minutes to set your machine up to do this. You can use a lot of the tools that you already have. You can do flare work just like I would normally. All I have to do is set this up and then I can start cycling through. It increases the productivity a lot. And it's in a small space. If we need a hammer, the hammers are right here. If I need something else, I've got it right there. A small space is not a limitation. A small space means that you can grab everything that you need quickly and you can be very efficient. More and more using a single workstation setup like this. If you want the side vise to lay down, you can. You can lay it, if you want it to be at your waist high, the bolts are there, you just adjust it. So setting this up as a workstation has been a game changer for me. Hope you get something out of that. Well, all right, friends, that was a quick hit today. I wanted to show how you can set the machine up to do multiple operations at one time, setting it up as more of a workstation. This has been a really big deal for me. If this is something that you're interested in, let me know, and I'll make some more videos like this. Thank you very much. Appreciate the support. This is Wes Lee signing out.